Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X100 and let me show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps. Then let's go down and find the settings and choose the battery. Here on the second position we've got battery saver, and as you can see now it is turned off. In order to turn it on, simply click on the switcher. As you can see, the screen turned a little bit darker, and the upper bar, the notification status bar, has been changed to the red one. If you want to turn it off and get back to normal mode, simply click on the switcher right here. So that's all. This is how to enable power saving mode in your DOOGEE X100. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.